If you suffer from allergies and you're tired of constantly taking those over-the-counter medications, then allergy shots might be something you ought to consider.
Immunotherapy decreases your sensitivity to allergens, meaning it's a treatment that can ward off your symptoms long-term. Shelley Botat has more.
Some people don't even know they're allergic to anything. They just think they have a bad cold or sinus infection. But it turns out to be allergies. And for some, shots are the way to go for treatment.
I had been sick almost constantly for about 2 years, and they were just really bad cold symptoms. I had like migraines all the time, sneezing, constant coughing.
Marie Green didn't know what was wrong.
I was on a lot of medication just trying to figure out what the problem was, and nothing was helping.
So Marie went to allergist Ablash Boyshnov with Aurora Baycare Medical Center, who tested her for allergies.
She had significant allergy to mold, and she had remained quite symptomatic despite multiple medications.
Which is why Dr. Boyshnov thought Marie was a good candidate for allergy shots.
Shots help patients build a tolerance to what they're allergic to, so it's a long-term treatment, not just a short-term treatment.
Allergy shots aren't the right choice for everyone.
So some people do fine just with over-the-counter medications. Some people need a combination of over-the-counter and prescription medications, and some people need shots. The other benefit of shots is that they are long-term treatments, so medications will only help you temporarily. If you stop the medications, your symptoms will come back, while the shots can provide long-term relief.
They stopped Marie's cold-like symptoms and helped her breathe easier.
And I've been coming for 1.5 years now, and they've been helping me. I'm off all my medicine and feeling good.
Now, if you have had cold-like symptoms for a long period of time and medication isn't helping, Dr. Boyshnov suggests you get tested for allergies. Now, the shots work for environmental allergies such as mold, dust mites, pollen, bee stings, and animal allergies. They do not work for drug and food allergies. To learn more, you can call Aurora Baycare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat.